This year's car is a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This is a beautiful car. It's got a 312 small block Ford, 4-barrel carb, automatic transmission. And so this car brings up just so many things in, I think, classic Americana. We live here on Route 66, and this is just a car that just seems made for the place. It has, over the years, been obviously painted, and the interior has been redone. It's in tremendous condition, just beautiful. The dash still looks extremely original and functional.